It's a certified 2022 Cadillac Escalade ESV. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout, while being everything you need an SUV to be, with room galore. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking sensors, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and V8 engine. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.